Okay, hello YouTube. Today is November 11th, Veterans Day. I'm doing this video on a 2004 Cadillac Deville. It's currently 2015. Today is Veterans Day in Detroit, Michigan. And I wanted to do this video because I wanted to let you guys know that if your vehicle's hesitating, don't go off spending a whole lot of money into it like I did. You know, I had a lot of stuff done. I had my manifold intake gaskets done. I had a sensor over here done. I had my mass airflow sensor done. I did the exhaust from the converter on back. I had the oxygen sensors changed. But the real problem was these coil packs. See here? Coil packs. This is a brand new. I got these from Auto Parts Warehouse for about 160 bucks. The ones in the back I decided to get from online from someone who was selling 2 rails for 50 bucks. Good deal. Anyway, until I changed both rails, and I mean both rails, not just one, my car was hesitating and jumping at idle. It was hesitating. Everybody told me to do everything. Even my mechanic, he promised me that after he finished my intake manifold gasket, that the issue would be gone. We also did fuel injectors on this vehicle. We did a lot of work to this vehicle. I spent a lot of money just to find out, all in all, that it was my coil packs and the wires that needed changing. So I just want to let people know, before you get off into doing a whole bunch of other crazy stuff, replace your coil packs or check the coil packs and the wires. Sometimes you have to change both rails, and you have to do a diagnostic to find out which cylinders are misfiring, and that ought to help you out. So I just wanted to let everybody know that if you're a Cadillac fanatic like me and you love your